9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
From the first speaker of opening opposition teams that needs to be addressed. The first, he said that the internet is important to our life, that can communicate to other friends in other world. That actually contradicted in the reality. We can see there are so many cases in Indonesia, that terrorist cases that doing by internet. We can see the victim of Indonesian girls. There are a lot of cases in Indonesia kidnapping and killing that actually contradicted with our motion today. And then let me come to my own argument. The first is internet has a lot of problems that will be a big problem. For example, we can see there are so many false, wrong information from the internet. So actually the internet can bring more harm than good to our life. And then now as the government teams, let me clarify that our parameter is in education in Indonesia. So actually in Indonesia didn't need internet to use internet in learning process. And then the second, based on scientist expert that explained to us, said that playing internet more than 5 hours will make their brain functions down. So actually, how about it happened for years? That can impair our body functions. And then now we can see that based on www.ho.com that explain us about using internet have a great radiations to our brains. So that actually contradicted with our body language. And then based on www.wikipedia.com that explain to us internet could trigger the war between big countries. In this side, we can let's take a view in the USA, between USA and France. That USA are use internet to hacking the French document. So that actually an illegal thing, and then illegal actions that should be banned by the government. And then I repeat again, as the government teams, we are run with this motion that this house believe that internet brings more harm than good. Thank you very much indeed.
Okay, the first speaker about
closing government.
Closing government. Spend the time 2 minutes 10 seconds. Okay, please welcome the first speaker of closing opposition.
Good afternoon, everybody. First, here I want to rebut your point. You said that internet there is so many hoax news. Well, it is depend on us. Here, how smart we can see, we can read the situation. If you are smart to read the situation, we will not be easy to believe them, to believe the news on internet. And here I want to tell you why I am so strongly agree with this motion. First, because internet can help us to keep in touch with our friends. University of Virginia psychologist Amori Mikami pointed out that teens use the internet site to keep in touch with their friends, not to meet strangers. The sentence you need to underline is not to meet strangers, but to keep in touch with their friends. Let's look around. Here, we as a student, of course, we face a homework every day. Although now we use the 20 and 30 curriculum, but homework can't be separate. If there is homework, we can ask our friend the homework for tomorrow, so we can prepare. We can do the homework Now, almost all the social media sites, we know how to use it and we know what for the social media is. For example, I'm sure all of us here know BlackBerry Messenger. Every time, every minute, we see the recent update. Also, if there is one of our friend posts the thing, if there is homework or like this, or